Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, bringing you a wig review of Rebel by the Revlon Bold Collection in the color Plum Dandy. I decided to release all of the Bold Collection reviews with kind of like a Halloween-y theme because it's basically Halloween around here, so I figured let's celebrate. And this is part of that Bold Collection. It's a really cute fashion pixie. I will say that the cap is really small on this one. I'd say it almost fits petite average. So I don't want to review this for too long because I don't want to stretch out the cap. So let me just jump right into things. Rebel has a 4-inch front. Some of it's as long as 5 inches. The crown down is 3 to 4 inches. And then the nape is 1.5. She's really, really short in the back. So let me go ahead and do a 360 for you so you can see Rebel on all sides. This one gives all right coverage here on the sides. You can see that it's almost completely covering my sideburns. Rebel also has a lace front with baby hairs cut into it. You can kind of see some of those baby hairs right here. I am not one of those people that actually likes baby hairs in my wigs. I don't like them pre-cut. Part of the reason is because my natural hairline doesn't have any baby hairs. So for me personally, it just doesn't look as natural. But everyone's different. Maybe your hairline has a bunch of those baby hairs and you want to duplicate the look. That, by the way, is why most higher end wigs with lace fronts do not come with pre-cut baby hairs. They want to give you the option of whether or not you want to use them, unlike fashion wigs, which almost always have them. Like here. You can also see that the lace on the Bold Collection wigs is a little bit darker than the truly transparent lace that comes on some of the higher end wig lines. This is because this is not just a line for Caucasian women. It's meant to go both ways, you know, be a segue into both of those marketplaces. So because of that, you know, they make it a little bit darker so it can blend in with darker skin as well as light skin. If this is something that bothers you, it is extremely easy to just blend this in with your makeup. Really, really easy. And since you're only really washing your synthetic wigs every couple weeks or so, you don't have to worry about it getting too cakey on there. You can just kind of put it on once and then reuse it after a single application. So, Rebel by Revlon, as I said, has a lace front. It's got scalloped edges on it, which you may have seen when it was on my head, and the lace is a very light nude color as opposed to transparent. It's open on the top with a little bit of lace connecting all of that. We've definitely got permatease up here. We've got very nice closely gathered tracts of hair, so this one's going to have a lot of hair on it for how small it is. Got closed ear tabs, as well as a closed extended lace nape, and it adjusts a bit like a bra strap back here. Here is what the top of Rebel looks like, as well as that really pretty color. It's a super pretty color, very vibrant. I'm gonna go ahead and put Rebel back on for you now. So this has been my review of the Rebel wig by Revlon in the color Plum Dandy, part of their Bold Collection. Make sure you check out the color spotlight video for this color if you're interested in learning a little bit more about it. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. You can check us out on the interwebs. We're all over Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. And, you know, talk to us once in a while on there. If you see us out and about, we're very responsive around here. And hopefully you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our reviews. And until next time, I hope you have a really great afternoon. Bye-bye.